Hello dear students, my name is CMA Ashish Shukla. Today in this video I am going to explain about what is BCom Investment Management Program. So let's begin with our video. BCom Investment Management Program is a degree program which is innovative program introduced by University of Mumbai from the academic year 2014 and 15. This degree program was introduced after the recommendation of Faculty of Commerce in line with the growing importance of finance and investment sector. So this course is all about finance sector and investment sector. This degree program is full-time program spread over 3 year span consisting 40 courses of 100 marks each. This degree program can only be run by colleges or institutions which are affiliated to University of Mumbai. Job prospects of this program are in finance, investment, mutual fund, share market, foreign exchange market, investment banking sector, merchant banking sectors, etc. So now we will discuss about the course structure. In this course, which subjects are offered to the students for their career prospects. So in the first year BCom, there are 2 semesters and each semester has 7 subjects. So we will discuss first semester. In first semester, student will get to learn basics of investment and wealth creation, introduction to accounting 1, introduction to financial system, business communication, foundation course, business economics and quantitative techniques. So these are 7 subjects for semester 1. And another semester 2, there are also 7 subjects. In this, first one is Introduction to Wealth Management, again Introduction to Accounting 2 and Introduction to Financial Markets, Business Communication 2, Foundation Course 2, 6th subject is Introduction to Financial Intermediaries and 7th subject is Investment Banking. Now we will see the second year subjects. In the second year BCom Investment Management Program, again there are 2 semesters, semester 3 and semester 4. In semester 3, there are 7 subjects, but first starting 5 subjects are optional. In that optional subjects, that is called elective courses. In elective courses, the student has to select 3 courses out of 5. So first we will see the elective courses. In elective courses, there are financial management, cost management accounting, fundamentals of capital market, financial services and marketing of investment products. Out of 5, student has to select only 3 subjects. Again, there are skill enhancement courses. So there is additional subject, foundation course 3 and overview of investment management. Then again, one course is ability enhancement courses, that is related to information technology, IT subject, and 6th subject is security analysis and portfolio management. 7th subject is mutual fund management. So in semester 3, there are almost 7 subjects. In semester 4, again 5 elective subjects are there, out of which student has to select 3 subjects. So names are Financial Management 2, Direct Taxation, Fundamentals of Equity Market, Financial Derivatives, Introduction to Equity Research. Again 4th subject is Foundation Course 3. In this, student will get to know about banking and insurance sector. Subject number 5 is IT again, the extended version of semester 3. 6th subject is securities analysis and portfolio management and 7th subject is business economics. Now we will see the third year subject. In third year BCom investment program, there are 2 semesters, semester 5 and semester 6. In this case, there are total 6 elective course in each semester and student has to select only 4 subjects out of 6. So I will list out the subjects name. First subject is in semester 5, operations in equity market, corporate accounting, business ethics, risk management, behavioral finance, merchant banking. And subject number 5 and 6, which are compulsory subject, international finance and research methodology. In semester 6, again there are 6 elective subjects. Out of 6, student has to select 4. In that, commodity markets and derivative, auditing, corporate governance, project management, venture capital and merchant banking 2. Again, there are 2 core subjects, that is compulsory subject, subject number 5, international finance 2 and project work. In last semester 6, there is last subject project work, which student has to do project work based on research methodology which he has learned in semester 5, or student can opt internship program, and based on their internship program they have to submit 40 to 50 pages internship report. So student can do research on primary research basis or secondary research basis, or they can pursue internship program in the semester 6 and can submit their internship report under project work. Now we will see the career opportunities. Graduate can pursue postgraduate program like MCom, MBA, postgraduate diploma in management, masters in marketing management, masters in financial management, etc. They also can enroll for chartered accountant, cost management accountant, company secretary and other professional certificate courses like certified financial planner, certified financial analyst, CMA UK, CMA of US, Actuaries of India and data scientist programs in their post graduations. Here the best part is this: the graduate student of BCom investment management can also opt government sector jobs after their graduation through various competitive examinations which are conducted by central government, state government through their representative bodies like Union Public Service Commission, State Public Service Commission, local bodies, SSC, Staff Selection Commission and Food and Drug Department of India, RBI, Reserve Bank of India, LIC, Life Insurance Corporation, Securities Exchange Board of India, banks and Maharatna government companies. So these are all about the career prospects and career opportunities and the course structure of BCom investment management. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please contact us.